Yep, I've done it again guys. What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. So as mentioned before in my previous videos, it looks like I have a serious case of RGB addiction, whether it be my PC, TV lights or anywhere around the house for that matter. After reviewing the Govee Immersion TV backlights, I told myself I would cut down and stop myself from purchasing any more. But man, after seeing Govee's new RGB IC Glide wall lights, I ended up relapsing straight away and bought them the second I saw it. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Govee Glide RGB IC wall lights and see how good this product really is. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then definitely consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right, first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the Govee logo, as well as an image and name of the device. You also have some supported features, such as Google and Alexa support. Towards the back, you have some product details and company information. Once opened, you are presented with some paperwork, as well as the 6 RGB IC light segments, 1 power adapter, 1 corner piece, and finally, 1 controller box. In regards to the product breakdown, starting with the light segments, each piece is roughly around 1 foot long, giving you a total length of 6 feet altogether. On each light segment, you have pins on one end and a slot on the other. Towards the back, you also have 2 adhesive tapes for each segment. The corner piece also has a slot and pin towards the back, as well as 2 adhesive tapes. The control box connects to your final light segment, so just make sure your final piece is close to your power outlet and then connects to the power adapter. Now, just a quick note on that guys, at the time of ordering my Govee Glide wall lights, the product wasn't available in the UK at that point, so I ordered directly from Amazon US. However, after having a look this morning, I can confirm the product is now available in the UK and should come with a UK power adapter instead. Now, when it comes to the setup process, Govee have made this super easy for us. Start by finding your desired location and then ensure that a power outlet is nearby. Remove the adhesive sticky pads from the back of the light segments and then start connecting each one individually. In my case, I'm going to do an opposite L-shaped design. Once your segments are stuck in place, connect the controller box to the end of your wall light and then connect the controller box to the power supply. Connect the power supply to the outlet and you should then see the wall lights turn on. Next, navigate to the Google Play or Apple App Store and then download the Govee app. Once downloaded, open the app and start by hitting the plus icon on the top right. In the search bar, type Glide to locate the wall light. Now, in cases where there are multiple options presented, just confirm the model number which you can find on the back of your box. Select your lights and then hit next. The app will then begin searching for the Glide wall lights. Once located, select your lights and the Bluetooth pairing will now begin. From here, just ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device. The app should then locate the Govee lights. At this point, hit next and then connect the lights to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. As I plan to connect this to my Amazon Alexa devices, I will now proceed by entering my Wi-Fi password. However, this step is optional, which you can skip by selecting the button on the top right. Wait for Wi-Fi pairing to complete and you should be good to go from here. For Amazon Alexa pairing, just make sure you download the Govee skill directly from your Amazon app. The Govee app is very easy to navigate through. Once the app loads, you are presented with the home page where you can find a list of your Govee products. In this example, I will be selecting the Govee Glide wall lights. From here, you can turn the Govee lights on or off, as well as adjusting the brightness levels, setting timers, and creating your own effects. You have some categories towards the bottom, which include music, which displays the LED lights based on noise, color, which lets you configure the light segments LED by LED, scene, which displays some preloaded designs and presets, and finally, the DIY settings. Now, we're just going to go through some of the preset designs preloaded by Govee. In this part of the video, I'm going to keep my mouth shut guys, ramp up the music, and let the light show commence. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, I am super happy I relapsed from my RGB addiction and bought the Govee Glide wall lights. The product is just awesome in a nutshell and super satisfying to stare at, especially when I have my other RGB lights turned on at the same time. I always get compliments on the lights from friends and family, and watching them get blown away by the preloaded presets is honestly such a sight to see. My only complaint is that you only have one corner piece included inside, which limits you from building different designs using the wall lights. Hopefully this is something Govee can look into in the future and provide an extra corner piece as part of the RGB package. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Govee Glide RGB IC wall lights from Amazon for around £100, which I know is kind of on the premium side. However, compared to products like Nanoleaf and LIFX Beam, it's definitely the cheaper one out of the three, but just as good as the others. If you're interested in purchasing the Govee Glide wall lights, then you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on today's product, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.